Hey, what up everyone? It's Teamwitherving again. Welcome to our Forex weekly forecast for the week of March 15 to the 19th, 2021. So this is it, guys. So we are officially doing our weekly forecast. So today is Sunday. So let's go. Let's see what the market is doing and let's work as a team, because that is the only way that I'm gonna be able to help you out. All right, let's go. Let's go straight up to the chart. So we're gonna go ahead and start with USD Chf. Pay attention, guys. Look at what our system is saying. We are trading our multiple time frame anyway, right? So what our system is letting us know here is the market is giving us a sell position. So this is considered a pullback. So market is giving us a pullback. On Friday, market was still going bullish because overall here, market is bullish. So look at this one. Boom. Market was still giving us a buy position. All you need to be looking is only for buy, to be honest. Buy, buy, buy. So right now, the market is giving us a buy position at this area here. And market on Friday tried to close as a sell, but unfortunately didn't do it. So market here, all I can say is this week, guys, market is gonna drop to most likely to this level here, to the lowest here, coming to the 23 Fibonacci line. Then it's gonna continue as a bullish, because overall this guy here is still very bullish in my opinion. Boom, market will continue as a buy. Why? Because the market, it is bullish. If you do have any question or you disagree with me, please comment below, let me know. Yesterday, Saturday, we did record our pre-week video. I don't know if you guys saw it, but if you have not seen it, I highly recommend everyone to come and take a look at it so you can learn, okay? And one quick thing, guys, before I do forget, because it is very important for you and I, is the following. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze and make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips using our multiple time frame system. So that's what this is all about. It's about working as a team, right? Because hey, it is free anyway. It takes time to, believe it or not, it takes time to work on this one, but hey, it is what it is. All right, so USD Chf still in a buy position in my opinion. Let's go ahead and analyze Euro AUD. Euro AUD, guys, is market still here giving us a bullish position. Look at the signal. The signal came in here and said, hey, we are ready for what? It's getting ready for a buy position. What is the market doing at this present time? Market is going bullish. In my opinion, market still have room to go all the way and retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line. Then from there, market will continue as a bearish. Why? Because the trend here is bearish, guys. So in my opinion, we are gonna be seeing a red area right at this area. Then that should be a continuation of the sell position, because the market in Euro AUD is still dropping, okay? So let me know in the comment below if you do agree with me or if you do disagree, because by comment below, that is the only way that I'm gonna know what is your need, what exactly are you getting confused, right? And that's how we do it here. So, and make sure, guys, if you guys want to come and join us, the link is below. Become a member if you want. Make sure you comment, share, like, and subscribe. Because anyway, all this content here is completely free to you. You don't have to pay a penny. All you have to do is make sure you subscribe, because that's what it is. All right, so make sure you hit the bell notification below. Let's go. All right, so let's move forward and let's see what's the next. All right, the next pair that I have for everyone is USD Canadian. USD Canadian, guys, still bearish at this present time. So if look at this one, everybody should know the market gave us a sell position here, and what happened? Boom, still dropping heavy like it's hot. Boom, look at that. Boom, look at this huge engulfing candle here. In my opinion, market now may drop probably 3 or more candles here, then we should be looking for a buy position, right? A retracement, retesting that 23.6 Fibonacci line, and then market will give us a arrow here going where? Coming as bearish, and boom, money in your bucket. Hey guys, on tomorrow, Monday, remember today is Sunday, the market will open this evening at 5 p.m. Eastern time. Please don't trade on Sunday. Sunday is not good, to be honest. Always try to trade every Monday, from Monday to Friday. That's the way how I do mine. I love to enter on the market around 9 to 9:30 a.m. Then I exit on Friday, every Friday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Those time frames is my exit time to bank the market. That's how I do mine. So I don't know what your style is, but if you do have a question, my private Telegram is in the description of this video. Send me a message, and then we can wrestle this one. But also another announcement on Monday, tomorrow. I'm gonna be putting I'm gonna be doing a live streaming, but I'm not gonna be talking on it. I just gonna do a live streaming only on the chart, so you can see what the multiple time frame is doing in real time, in case you are at work or you are jogging, whatever you are doing, so you can take a look at it and see, okay, I see the market still selling, blah blah. So that will help you out. So let me know in the comment below if that helped you, because anyway, I'm here only to benefit you, right? Because other traders really, they love to charge you for what I'm giving you here, but I don't think you should be paying for everything. There should be some information free. Obviously, you do not have our system, right? Our multiple time frame, where it tells us take a buy, take a sell, take a buy, and so on. Fortunately, you don't have that, but it's okay. You can come and join us in a later time. So no rush, no rush. I mean, you know, if you want to join us, join the multiple time frame. Come and join us and grab those hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. That's what I all care. All right. So let me show you what gold is doing. This is shout out to Sarah. Sarah love to trade this particular pair here. Gold for her is everything. So remember, guys, that gold, it is selling. It has been selling for a very long time. Look at what our multiple time frame show. Irvin, it's time to sell. Irvin, it's time to sell again. Irvin, it's time to sell again. And then this PV retrace, because we are in a PV mode. That's what we're doing. So PV come in, but in my opinion, if this PV continue, guys, market is gonna come back and retest our 38.2 Fibonacci. Why will come there? Because it needs to reinforce this drop here and make it strong. So when that drop happens, boom, market will drop and then will continue as a buy. But the month of March, to be honest, market is still in a sell position, guys. I don't see anything going crazy in a buy position. Yes, it's doing the PV at this present time, but overall market still selling. So we're gonna come back on Wednesday, either 3 or 4 p.m. where we're gonna analyze these pairs all over again, and you're gonna have the opportunity to see what yesterday video was doing, and today is Sunday. So today we are doing our weekly forecast. All right, so hopefully that helps. All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys Gbp USD. Is anybody of you trading Gbp USD? Please comment below, guys. I'm here live with you anyway. I'm always here live, so even if I don't get to answer your question, remember, I will get to you behind scene and try to give you the answer that you are looking for by providing you an accurate information. So comment below, it's help you. All right, and let me know, guys, on Tuesday I'm gonna be doing a Zoom call with my team. If you want to join, send me a private message and I will give you access to our Zoom call on Tuesday, so you can see in real time how we do this, and it will help you to become a better trader. You don't have to pay, to be honest, but just send me a message and I will be more than happy to help you. All right, so let's pay attention what GBP USD doing. GBP USD, it is in a buy position, guys. Market, it's trying so damn hard to go bearish, but it's not happening. Right here we did got the buy signal, and boom, market took off as what the signal said the market was gonna do. And then we got a continuation of the sell here, doing a retracement, and the market did drop, retesting the 61 Fibonacci line. Now the market right now is saying, okay, no, we need to be bullish, because bullish, bullish, and bullish, and bullish is all it matters. So now, yes, the market may drop, you know, a few more pips here, or either come to the 78.6 Fibonacci line, then boom, market will go up, then we'll do a small retracement. That's what I'm seeing on the market. Anyway, we are gonna come back on Wednesday at 4 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna review what I'm telling you right now. Today is Sunday, and what I told you yesterday in our pre-week, which was the Saturday video. So we're gonna combine both into one, and then you're gonna get to see what the market is doing. Okay, so far so good, guys. So far so good. Good. All right, let me give you kind of like show you as well what we did yesterday, guys, in case you haven't seen the video. Yesterday we did analyze our Euro USD. I gave you this analysis. We also analyzed USD peso, which is one of my favorite pair, and we also analyzed Euro GBP, another one of my favorite pair, and another one that is one of my favorite pair. It is USD Japan. That's what the market is doing for this coming week. So today we review a few more. So I don't even know how many pairs we analyzed in this week, to be honest. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 9 pairs is more than enough, to be honest. We don't need a lot to go crazy and show you and say, oh yeah, we're gonna be analyzing this much in here. Anyway, we're gonna do our Zoom call on Tuesday, where you're gonna have the opportunity to ask questions and so on. So like that, you can learn in real time how we do things. All right. You guys have any question, guys? Any question? Because if you don't have any question, guess what I'm gonna do next, guys? Today is Sunday. Anyway, it's kind of cold here in my state. I got no plans. Maybe I'm gonna drink a coffee, hang out with the family, do something else. But today is really very slow. So yeah, I mean, hopefully you guys did find value on this video, guys. Make sure that if you're gonna join us, come and join us. The link is below. So it doesn't, just come and take a look at it. You know, the link is below, and see what the market is gonna do. All right. So thank you, guys. God bless you, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States. Take care, guys. All right, Teamwitherving. Virtue, dedication, and result. Each and every one of you counts as a pips. Let's go, guys. So remember, if you want to join us, join the multiple time frame, become a member, and one favor: comment, like, share, and subscribe. And let's get this hundreds and hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. All right, guys, so take care. God bless you. Okay.